Have you ever wondered about the beautiful land above the cloud? The beautiful place known as the land with 1,000 hills. This is the wonderful paradise with a great experience. The melody, the diversity created one of the unforgettable stories. Can you imagine? They serve you a grand hill persists in front of your eyes. This place also has the special part about the history of Indonesia. Meet perfectly the relation between coffee and woman. The sensitivity of choosing a good bean. They are the creator of that perfect taste. Enjoy your time with one of the big mammals. Getting closer with endemic elephant in Sumatra. And take some coffee with them. Do you still doubt about this land? Take your time and feel this. And also enjoy the treasure of this land. Horse racing, one of the most famous traditional attractions you can enjoy. Other than that, you can explore the river by rafting. This is the perfect gallery, which is contained by the great taste of coffee, the beautiful nature, and human being. Created a diversity called Bener Meriah Harmoni.